Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. PyTorch Lightning is a lightweight PyTorch wrapper that helps you organize your PyTorch code in a more modular and scalable way. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use a pretrained model with PyTorch Lightning. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll use the popular Hugging Face Transformers library for pretrained models. Make sure you have the necessary libraries installed. We'll use the Hugging Face Transformers library to load a pretrained model. In this example, we'll use the distilbert-base-uncased model. Here, we create a class pretrained model that extends torch.nn.Module. The DistilBertModel is loaded from the Hugging Face Transformers library, and we define a forward method to process inputs through the model. Now, let's create a PyTorch Lightning module to encapsulate our model. The Lightning module helps organize training-related code. In the PretrainedModel Lightning class, we inherit from PL Lightning module and define the model, forward method, training step, and optimizer configuration. You need to implement a data loading mechanism suitable for your task. For simplicity, we'll use a dummy data loader. Now, let's train our model using PyTorch Lightning. This is a basic setup. You may need to modify the code based on your specific task, dataset, and training requirements. Check the PyTorch Lightning documentation for more advanced features and options. ChatGPT.